What will you say for a person who became a chartered accountant and immediately after set about doing his degree in law? The intention behind was not to earn more money but to place himself in a position of authority from where he could guide his clients in various legal matters involving taxes. He has helped not only his clients to resurrect themselves and position themselves more stoically in the market, but also helped the nation by bringing in more and more people in the taxation structure. Come, let's meet this great man, CA Amit Gupta.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a beautiful story. This story is between two characters, nothing against any of them, but a very real story which is pertaining to the real scenario of the world. There was once a currency bill and a piece of paper. And the piece of paper was arguing with the currency bill. You know, I make you go around. I am the person where agreements are signed. I am the letter that goes to people. I am the one who mends relationships. And you are the one, who are following me and you come after me. I'm greater than you. To which the currency bill replied, but you have seen far too many dustbins in your life and I've never seen one. That is a truth and that is a beautiful reality, because money makes the world go round. And even if money is not that important in life, it is definitely the most important tool for survival so that you can reach to your goals and your destinations. And as an entrepreneur, nothing is more important for you than to learn how to save that currency bill so that you can keep moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen in the pandemic how businesses have crashed, how entrepreneurs have suffered. Most of them have not been able to fulfill their liabilities, to all the financial institutions, government, for example, taxes, for example, you've not been able to do that. And today's guest is someone so amazing because he is a CA turned lawyer and he actually represents people जिनके ऊपर government has done the cases of income tax. He helps them spring back to life. He helps them come back to life. Mr. Amit, welcome to this show. So amazing to have you here with us today. How do you feel?
Very fine. Thank you, Sudarshan.
You are a CA turned lawyer,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken,
yes,
right?
yes.
And 2002 में आपने you passed your CA.
Yes, I qualified my CA in 2002 and then I did my lawyer degree and now I am practicing as an advocate.
So how has the journey been from 2002 to 2021? If in a minute we could understand that from you.
This journey was really very amazing. We learned a lot of things with the experiences with the cases when we go to the department. And we have learned one thing, that the taxes and the death is certain. If in any situation you have to give the taxes, you cannot escape them.
This is such an interesting thing to listen to. There's only, this always said that you will be born, that was certain, you will die, that is certain. But the third thing is the taxes, they are definitely certain. And that's why Mr. Amit is here with us to help us handle it in a much more easier way, right? So what was the idea behind turning into an advocate? Because CA itself is such a profound practice and so huge.
The main purpose of doing as a practice as an advocate, that advocate try to save the client in every best way, because he knows the law. You can fight with the words, but in chartered accountancy you can fight only up to the tribunal. But if we have to fight the cases into the High Court or the Supreme Court, then a CA cannot appear. So that was the reason, because we were knowing about our clients in a very good way. So our clients were going to the High Court with other advocates. So that was the turning point when we decided to practice as an advocate so that we can represent them in High Court also.
So that is what inspired you when you saw your own clients also go to the court because of some cases filed on them. How did that happen? Because you must have been filing their taxes and all. Is it that the government just picks up anybody randomly and puts a scrutiny on them?
Yes. This was the main reason, because we see that the people were filing the taxes just because they do not know the law.
Okay.
Because sometimes it happens the taxes are imposed on the people because they do not go to the department. either because of lack of knowledge or because of lack of law. So when we started practicing as an advocate, then we tried to learn the income tax from the very beginning. We started learning the income tax from the very beginning.
मतलब आप उसको उसकी जड़ से पकड़ते हो
जड़ से
कि
पकड़ना।
where is it originating from, उसका reason क्या है, why this kind of a tax law is there and where you can find leverage, और कैसे अपने client को भी वो leverage दे सकते
उसका
हैं.
एक और रीजन ये भी था कि पहले बजट साल में एक बार आता था.
हाँ.
गवर्नमेंट टैक्सेस के अंदर चेंजेस साल में एक बार करती थी बजट के टाइम पे. अब ये सिचुएशन है कि डेली इतने सर्कुलर्स आते हैं, डेली इतने नोटिफिकेशंस आते हैं कि इतने लॉ के अंदर चेंजेस हो रहे हैं कि हर एक आदमी के लिए ये नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल है, इवन प्रोफेशनल्स के लिए ये नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल है उन चेंजेस को इनकॉर्पोरेट करना. तो हमने ये सोचा कि एज एन एडवोकेट प्रैक्टिस करने से खाली स्पेशलाइजेशन इनकम टैक्स में किया, ताकि जो है लोगों को एक गवर्नमेंट की जो ट्राइवेसिटी है उससे बचाया जा सके.
कितने साल से आप ये कर रहे हैं एज एन एडवोकेट?
करीबन 10 साल से.
10 years, that means there's a huge amount of experience, और आपने पता नहीं कितने लोगों को बचाया भी होगा इस दौरान. You must have helped, I don't know how many thousands of them.
लोगों को भी बचाया, सरकार को भी बचाया. कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि
सरकार को कैसे बचाया ये बताइए.
वो इसलिए बचाया कि कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो काफ़ी पैसा कमा रहे होते हैं, लेकिन उनके मन में खाली ये होता है कि हमें टैक्सेस नहीं देने. तो उनको भी कन्विंस किया कि खाली टैक्सेस देने से आप गवर्नमेंट के अच्छी नज़रों में आते हैं, और खाली टैक्स ना देना ही आपके बिजनेस को ऊपर नहीं लेके जाएगा. टैक्स देने से भी आपका बिजनेस जो है ग्रो करता है.
लोगों के अंदर बहुत कुछ इनकम टैक्स को लेके होता है, बिकॉज पीपल डोंट नो व्हाट आर द स्कीम्स एंड हाउ दे कैन एक्चुअली सेव देयर टैक्सेस आल्सो, एंड इवन दोस हु हैव बीन गिवन नोटिसेस एंड ऑल, लाइक यू सेड दैट लॉज कीप चेंजिंग. सो व्हाट इज योर एडवाइस रिगार्डिंग दैट टू द पीपल?
My advice in this regard to the people is that you should engage the professionals. आपने देखा होगा कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर जब भी लोग बीमार होते हैं, they go to the chemist and they ask for the medicine. They do not go to the doctor. This is the same problem which is happening with the people in the taxation matters. They are going to the people who are not versed with the income tax laws or the GST laws, but they are going to the very average type of people. क्योंकि अब टैक्सेशन लॉज इतना टिपिकल हैं, क्योंकि सारे चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, फॉरेन टैक्सेशन भी है, ये इतना टिपिकल है कि एक आम आदमी जो है वो उनको नहीं समझ सकता बिना प्रोफेशनल की हेल्प से. तो माय एडवाइस टू द पीपल इज़ दैट एटलीस्ट दे शुड आल्सो गो थ्रू द लॉज ए लिटल बिट, बिकॉज ignorance of law is not an excuse, and they should engage some good people, because now the internet is there. You can take the views and reviews from the website also.
Okay.
So engaging a proper person.
There has been a lot of
diagnosing-
change in the last 7-8 years, in the way taxes are being filed. I think it has become more easier and more convenient also for people.
Yes.
Right? Definitely.
क्योंकि
So, are there any tips that you would be having for entrepreneurs to follow certain ways on tax benefits that they can get from, as a benefit from you?
My main tip to the entrepreneurs is that they should engage some persons who are reviewing their taxation system on a constant basis. लोग क्या करते हैं कि एक बार साल में आखिर में जाते हैं अपने सीए के पास या एडवोकेट के पास अपनी रिटर्न फाइल कराने या अपना ऑडिट कराने. दे शुड डू इट ऑन ए कॉन्टिन्यूएंस बेसिस. उनको पूरे साल भर एंगेज करना पड़ेगा. जैसे यदि आपको अपनी सेहत को मेंटेन करना है तो आपको डेली जो है अपने एक्सरसाइज करनी है. इसी तरीके से आपके बिजनेस के लिए भी ज़रूरी है कि आप जो है वो रूटीन बेसिस पर अपने बिजनेस का हेल्थ चेकअप कराते रहें कि मैं कोई कानून का उल्लंघन तो नहीं कर रहा.
It's a beautiful thing जो आपने बताया. So this is the most amazing and interesting part that Mr. Amit has, brought to the front. Like, we have a family doctor who takes care of our health and, keeps us in check and makes sure that we are healthy so that we keep functioning and, we are able to take care of our families and all. Your business requires a doctor, and the doctor for your business is actually your CA, because financial health of a company decides the growth, the success, and the overall health of the people in that company. Am I right?
Yes.
So your CA is actually a doctor for your company who will make sure that your finances are in control and in check, and you should be meeting them as often as possible.
Yes.
So there are two things that I have understood. that are very important. One, as Mr. Amit said, hire a proper qualified CA. That is the most important. The second is keep in touch with your CA at least once a month or once a fortnight so that you know what is happening and you have your finances in control. And thirdly, Mr. Amit, what is it that you would like to say as a message to people out there, an inspiring message to young CAs who are wanting to be CAs and who have this entire starlight in their eyes that they want to get into this industry, and the entrepreneurs? What is that one advice that you would?
My main advice to the young chartered accountant is that do not take any shortcut, because with the changing technology, everyone is taking shortcut. So there is no shortcut to the success in CA. If you want to become a good CA, then you have to read the laws in a depth. It is like boring into the earth.
That is such a beautiful expression, Mr. Amit. What he's trying to say is so inspiring. I think you can put it on the wall, on a vision board. Don't take a shortcut to success or your success will get cut short. Remember that all your lives if you are trying to be a CA or even if you're an entrepreneur, because there is no shortcut to success. It always demands a kind of labor that you need to put in it. You need to burn that night lamp oil. Yeah? Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for being with us over here, Mr. Amit. Please get in touch with Mr. Amit whenever you can and wherever you can, and sort out your issues. He's available. You can find out from the coordinates that you can see on your screen. And as a parting gift, Mr. Amit, we would like to gift you a small token of our regard from All My Craft, who have won the craft-based Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme ke under. They have won the craft-based manufacturers award of the year. It's a wonderful instrument and you would definitely love to use it.
That is
right?
great.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And thank you so much, Crown Plaza, once again, because we could meet Mr. Amit over here. So keep tuned with us. We'll be coming back with another guest who will give us more insights into your taxations.